So now we take the window frame adapter as it's assembled here. You want this on the bottom, and then we want to put it in the window. If I sized it correctly, it should fit pretty closely. It does fit pretty closely. And then I want to try to get it to center. And I am dead center. I am dead on center. So now at this point, I just want to make sure I have a good tight fit, and I'm going to be putting some screws in. As I said, I don't need to pre-drill because this is very easy to screw into wood. So there's going to be a screw here, a screw here, a screw here. Those are very crucial. Screws here and here. And then there'll be a screw on the bottom that will hold it steady. So that'll take about 5 minutes of manual screwing to put those in, and then when I've done that, I'll come back and show you the result.